Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about the project Privacy Enhanced and Verifiable Compressed Sensing Reconstruction for Medical Image Processing on the Cloud. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract of the process. In this process, we focus on the setting that the medical institute aims to resent a resourceful and powerful cloud server to securely store the data, images, and lot of things, and then reconstruct the large-scale medical images with CSR technique and design a new efficient and secure cloud-aided diagnosis algorithm. Precisely compared with the prior arts, our main contribution can be reflected as a following three aspects based on the stages like encryption stage, decryption stage, and then followed by the cloud storage. Finally, the performance of the decryption will be evaluated by means of the performance parameters like PSNR and MSE. That means the peak signal to noise ratio and mean square error. If the mean square error is very low in this sense, the error rate will be low, hence the data retrieval will be the high. So in this part, we majorly consider the cloud computing and then the efficient decryptions to achieve the data as more secure. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram of the process. This is the overall working flow of this process. In this project, the module consists like input image, pre-processing, key generation, encryption, cloud storage, then again decryption, reconstruction, then output image. These are the modules we have followed in this project. And first, the input is taken from the dataset. So the dataset consists of the lot of medical images, whatever the medical images may be, the lung, brain, whatever it is. So we have to take any one image. Then after that, the second stage of the project is pre-processing. In this pre-processing, we have to maintain the optimum size of the image. That means the 256 cross 256, which having the number of row will be the 256, number of column will be the 256. So here the image resize will be done to resize the image into an aspect ratio. Then key generation is used to generate the key. Once again, the user also have to give the encryption key to secure the data. After that, the encryption is done by the RDH algorithm to secure the data. Once the encryption was done, the corresponding file will be stored in the cloud storage. Here we are using the Readme as an cloud storage. So after storing the data into one cloud, the decryption process will be carried out. In this decryption process, the user have to give the key. If it is an appropriate key, means it will go for the decryption stage, or else it is an wrong key, means it will again go the user to enter the key once again. Once it will go for the decryption stage, means the decryption will be carried out whether it have verified the correct or wrong. It is a correct one. The decryption will decrypt the data, as well as it will reconstruct the image into an optimum image. So once the aspect image was retrieved, means the output image will be displayed along with the performance parameter will be evaluated based on the PSNR and MSE. Now we are going to discuss about the running procedure of the process. At first, open the Matlab 2015B and then change the current directory. If you want to execute the process, just right click in the main_admin.m and select the option run. Once you selected the option run, here one user interface will be open. In that user interface, you have to enter the username and then we have to enter the password as, then we have to give the submit button. Once we give the submit button, the new user interface will be open. In that user interface, you can see the several buttons in the right side for the controlling process and then the several axes in the left side for the display purpose. First of all, we have to click the button import image. Once we have clicked the button import image, the dataset will be open. In that dataset, we have to select any one image from the dataset. After the selection of the image from the dataset, the corresponding image will be shown in the axis 1 with the title of input image. Once we done the importing the image, we have to view the details. So here the details are: number of row will be the 857, number of column will be the 900, number of channel will be the 3, that means the input image is the RGB image. Here the mean value, standard deviation and variance value will be displayed like this. Once we view the details, we just move to the next step of the process, that is the pre-processing. So in this pre-processing, the filtering is done to filter the image as well as resize the image into an aspect ratio. Then after that we have to enter the key here. I am giving the key as 1, 2, 3. Then we have to click the button encryption. Once it have to verify the user ID. So user ID is user, then password is user 1, 2, 3. Now I am clicking the button submit. Once it was submitted, we have to give once again the encryption. So once again we have to give the encryption, means the encryption will be done. Then we have to write the image into a separate folder, like I am giving the image as an ENC. Then you just click the button save. Now the encrypted image is shown in the axis 3 with the title of encrypted image. Now we just move to the decryption part. In this decryption part, once again I am giving the decryption key. Then click the button decryption. Then we have to import the encrypted image. Now the decryption was done. So the decrypted image is shown in this 4th axis with the title of decrypted image. Once we done this one, we just move to the final stage of the project, that is the performance estimation. So in this performance estimation, we have already discussed in the flow diagram, we have to calculate the PSNR and the MSE. So the PSNR is around 45.6 and the MSE is 1.7. Those values are shown in the table as well as in the bar chart format. Thanks for watching this video.